sneezed again. Isn't that funny? You get anything on the phone? That was just a speck of something. I don't know what to do. You want to chat with me? I'm just so lonely. I have no friends. I don't have any friends, and that's okay. There's nothing I can do about it. Ugh. I know what to do. Looking all gray. But when I'm all dollied up, I look better. 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 Anyway, if you like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Click on the notification bell for more content, and stay tuned. And please share, favorite, like, whatever. Peace.